How many times have you heard someone say, if you want more power, you need to put premium gas in your bike? What if I told you that all these expensive upgrades and myths could be draining your wallet? From fuel to exhausts, there's a ton of advice out there that isn't just misleading, it's costing you money. Let's dive into 7 motorcycle lies that are wasting your cash. Lie 1. Premium gas will boost your bike's performance. It's a common myth. Premium gas makes your bike run better. But here's the truth. Unless you're riding a high-performance sport bike or a turbocharged engine, your bike doesn't need premium fuel. Regular fuel works just fine for most motorcycles. Premium gas is for high-compression engines, not for everyday rides. Using premium where it's not necessary is just a waste of money. Modern engines are designed to work with regular gas, and using a higher grade can even cause engine issues. So stick to what's recommended by your bike's manufacturer and save that extra cash at the pump. Lie 2. Fuel additives make your bike run better. Fuel additives are marketed as magic potions that clean your engine and boost performance. But in reality, most of these products don't do much at all. Your bike's fuel system is designed to stay clean with regular fuel. Unless you're dealing with a specific problem, these additives are unnecessary and a waste of money. So don't buy into the hype. Focus on good maintenance practices and save your money for upgrades that actually make a difference. Lie 3. You need an aftermarket exhaust for more power. It's the classic myth. Swap out your stock exhaust for a shiny new one, and suddenly your bike will have more power. In reality, replacing your exhaust with a louder one doesn't give you any real power gains. The sound might be cooler, but the performance won't improve unless you're tuning your bike specifically for it. In fact, an aftermarket exhaust can mess with your bike's engine efficiency. If you're looking for real performance improvements, focus on upgrades that affect your bike's actual performance, like the right tune, better tires, or more skill on the road.
Lie 4. Fancy air filters will make your bike run faster. Aftermarket air filters promise to make your bike run faster and cleaner. But the truth is, your stock air filter works just fine for most riders. Upgrading to a high-end air filter might give you a slight increase in airflow, but the gains are minimal and not worth the cost for most riders. Instead of splurging on an expensive air filter, focus on simple maintenance, like changing the filter regularly, and keep your bike running smoothly without throwing money at unnecessary upgrades. Lie 5. High-end synthetic oils are the secret to a longer engine life. Synthetic oils have a reputation for being the premium choice for engine longevity. But here's the thing. What matters most is changing your oil regularly, not necessarily whether it's synthetic or not. Sure, synthetic oil lasts longer, but it's not a magic bullet. Cheap oils can work just fine if changed on time. What's important is keeping up with regular oil changes and sticking to the right oil for your bike. Focus on following the service schedule, and you'll save money without compromising engine health. Lie 6. Custom tuning is the best way to improve performance. Custom tuning is often marketed as the key to unlocking your bike's full potential. The truth? Most bikes are already tuned from the factory. Unless you've made significant upgrades like a new exhaust or intake, custom tuning isn't going to give you much of a performance boost. In fact, a poorly done tune can actually hurt your engine's performance or reliability. Save your money and focus on the essentials, like proper maintenance and using parts that are actually designed for your bike system. Lie 7. You can just store your bike and forget about it. Thinking of storing your bike for the winter and coming back to it in the spring? Don't just park it and forget about it. Improper storage can lead to big problems when you try to start it up again. Without proper winterization, your battery can die, fuel can gum up, and metal parts can rust. A few simple steps like adding fuel stabilizer, keeping the battery on a charger, and covering the bike can save you hundreds in repairs when you're ready to ride again. Motorcycle myths are everywhere, and it's easy to get swept up in the advice that's actually designed to make someone else money. Premium fuel, aftermarket parts, and fancy oils won't make your bike faster or safer. They'll just empty your wallet. Stick to what your bike actually needs, and you'll save money while keeping your ride in top shape. At the end of the day, it's not about spending the most, It's about maintaining your bike properly and knowing where to focus your money. So, next time you hear one of these myths, remember, the truth is often a lot simpler and cheaper.